Hello guys, welcome to another brand new trading video in which we will apply very good trades using candlestick pattern. Here we are trading in US dollar versus Japanese yen, which will generate good profit. Watch the video till the end, you will learn a lot. Now that you have understood the pattern, guys, a very good bullish pennant candlestick pattern has been created here, which gives us a buying opportunity. Let's draw it. From here the market went upwards with high volume, which created a big move here. Here the market created a big bullish candle, which is giving us signals for the market to go up. Then the market created resistance points on this trend line, due to which the market reversed downwards. Till now the market could not break this trend line. We will connect the second trend line at these points below. This trend line is acting as support. Here you will see a bullish pennant candlestick pattern. We will also see such patterns in the bearish trend. Whenever the market creates such patterns, an opportunity is also created there, by which good profit can be generated. Here two conditions are being applied in the market. In the first condition, in which the market breaks the above trend line, we will apply the buying trade. Till the time the market is outside both the trend lines, we will not apply the trade. In the second condition, the market can break the trend line. If the market breaks down, we will not apply any trades, because this candlestick pattern is only for bullish trend. This creates a different pattern for bearish trend. Now here we wait to see which trend line the market breaks.
2 hours later.
Guys, the market has broken the above trend line, so we will apply a buy trade. Here we are applying a trade after the trend line breakout. Most of the traders do not have patience, due to which they apply the trade at the wrong place, and it becomes very difficult to hold the trade there, due to which that trade has to be closed in loss. Now let us apply the trade. Here I am increasing the lot size according to my risk. See you guys after applying for trade. Right now our loss is around $300. This loss will keep going up and down. We have $4,500 in our account, which will grow with proper risk management. We have entered here at exactly the right time so that we can do good risk management. To do risk management, proper lot size should be calculated. Now we place stop loss and target point. Through this we can hold and close the trade. Here my stop loss will be 7 pips below inside the trend channel. If the market goes down, then our candlestick pattern will fail, but we will not close the trade until the market hits the stop loss, and target point will be 14 pips above, where market will create higher high points. We will hold the trade till this level. Guys, our loss is the same as before. Our entry is at the right place, due to which we have to put a stop loss. With this we can achieve a good target. Guys, now we will remain patient in the trade until the market gives a big move up or down. We know the stop loss of our trade, so we will hold it till this level. Here you can clearly see the stop loss and target level. This is our exit level in the market. We can make money only with the right entry, because with the right entry we are able to manage the risk management and psychology well. We meet the guys after some time.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's
someone
go.
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry.
Wow, very dangerous!
Fighting me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like me versus.
Nice move, guys. There is high volatility going on in the market. With this our target was hit and the market achieved our goal. Guys, we applied a trade on the bullish pennant candlestick pattern, which was successful. We can also generate good profit by following patterns in the market. You do not need to take trade on any pattern, just trade on high probability pattern. Our target was at this level, which was already hit, but I had important work to do, so could not close the trade. The market is currently moving 5 pips above our target level. Here the market has also given a breakout at a strong resistance level. So let's explain by drawing the level. At this level the market has created multiple resistance points, which has now reversed towards the bottom at this level. This is a very strong resistance level which the market has been following for a long time. But now the market has broken this level, which has created a resistance, become support pattern, which is giving us a strong uptrend signal. Guys, our profit here is above $4,500. We had deposited $4,500 in this account, which has grown to $9,400. We can make good profit from the right pattern in the market. Always practice the setup again and again so that you become the master of that setup. If you have learned from this video, then like and share. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
use.